This is how you can download your Perplexity response as a PDF document. So I'm going to create a new thread and I want to ask Perplexity about some question about AI. So what is RIG in AI? And I want to get a thorough research answer from Perplexity. I'm going to be enabling Pro Research, and let's enable web, academic, and social, and finally click enter. And after that, Perplexity is going to give me this answer, and later I'm going to export the answer as a PDF document. So this is actually a new feature in Perplexity that allows us to copy the answer not as a regular text but as a PDF document. So there's no need to use any third-party tool to convert it to a PDF document. Now let's scroll down, and here at the bottom you will see that there is a new button called export. Just between the share and rewrite button, there is this export button. You can click on it and click PDF. So I'm going to click it. It is being exported and the document is now downloaded to my computer. I can open it via my browser, and this is what it looks like. It looks like a regular Perplexity content, and it is exactly the same thing. You can see there are some citations, there are some sources at the bottom, and also we have this Perplexity logo at the top, meaning that this content was generated via Perplexity. But yeah, that's basically how you can get the PDF version of your answer in Perplexity. So if you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.